Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this Pencilmarks Sudoku from the latest Sudoku Grand Prix round. This one was organized by Thailand, and this puzzle was made by Sinchai Jaturangkhajit. And sorry for mispronouncing the name, and I must also apologize for providing such a poor rendition of the stunning visuals that were in the original puzzle, where all the pencil marks formed T shapes with placing the digits in their positions relative to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 on a standard, how do you call that? Well, never mind. I just put the pencil marks as I could. So what is happening here is that some cells have a set of digits, and the correct digit must be chosen among those cells, which means that this is obviously a 9, and this is obviously a 6, which removes some options, but not that many. And it has to be solved with noticing all of that. And when I tested this puzzle, I was completely overwhelmed by the amount of information and the way they were positioned into the cells was really, really disturbing to me. So perhaps I'm more used to the way they are organized in PenPal, so I hope I will have a faster experience. So I'm seeing that that's a 2, 6 pair, so that can't be a 2. We also have a 4, 8 pair here, so that can't be a 4. We can also see that 6 is not in here, so 6 will have to be there, which means that 6 is not in here and 6 will have to be there, and this is not 6. Here we have a quintuple, and by this I mean those cells need digits 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we have 5 digits needed for 5 cells, so those cells can't go anywhere else. The remaining cells here are 1, 3, 7, 9, and it would not be really wise to pencil mark all those values. But what's interesting in those is that the 2 in those 4 cells, the 2 is in here, which means that 2 is not in here, and that is a 3. And that is a 7, and that's a 5. Okay, this 3 here is not in here, so it will have to go there. And this 3 is not in here, so inside this box it will have to go there. And it turns this into a 5, which in turn makes this a 4, and this a 6, and this an 8. That's not 8, and that's not 8. And this is 2, and this is 4, and this is 6. And this is 8, and this is 4. And that's a 3. And note that 9 is not here, 9 is not here, so on this row 9 must be there, and those are a 1, 7 pair. That's not 3. Eight does not go here, so that we get a 2, 5 pair. 5 is not here, and that's a 3. And here we need 1, 4, and 9. That's not 9. That's not 4. And note that 7 is not in here, it's not in there, so 7 will be there. 7 won't be here, so 7 will be there inside this box. 4 is not in here. So we get a 5-6 pair, which turns this into an 8, and that's a 2, and that's a 6, and that's a 4, that's a 5, that's an 8, that's a 3. 3 is not in here, 3 goes there. This card needs 1, 4, 7, so this is from 1, 7. This is also from 1, 7, so 4 is here. And by the way, that's a 2. 3 and 8 are not here, so they must be there. And this can now only be a 6. This column needs 1, 2, and 9. The 2 goes there. This is from 1 and 9. And this is from 1, 7, 9. This row needs an 8. It's not here, so it's there. 4 is not here, so on this row 4 is there, and this is from 1 and 9. 3 is not in any of those cells, so it's here. This is from 1 and 7. Those are from 1, 6, and 7. This 2 gives us the 5, and the 6 and the 5. This 8 gives us the 2, that's a 6, that's a 5, that's a 2. And this row needs a 5. So this 5 goes there. This is from 1 and 7. This box needs an 8. It's here. This is from 1, 7, and 9. This column needs 1, 3, 7, 9. There's a 7 in here, so this is from 1, 3, 9. 9 here, so this is from 1, 3, and 7. Okay, where is the next place to look? This row needs 1, 2, 7, 9. 2 here. 2 here, so 2 goes there. This is from 1 and 7. And now we get a 1, 7 pair on this column, so that's a 6. This is not. That's a 5. And the column still needs 4 and 8. This column still needs a 5. It's not in here, it's not in there. It also needs 1, 4, and 7. This row needs 1, 4, 7, 9. There's a 4 here. Oh, and that's a 1, 7, 9 triple. So this is 4, this is 8, and this is 6. This is from 1, 7, 9. The 4 here goes there. Here we have 1, 7, 9, so the column still needs 2 and 8. And that's a 4. Okay, this column still needs 1, 3, 7, 9. There's 1 and 7 here, so this is from 3 and 9. There's a 7 here, so this is from 1, 3, 9. 7 is there, so those are from 1, 2, and 9. There's a 9 here. And now this is fully pencil marked, and we need to disambiguate all of that. I removed the small pencil marks, which are more distracting than anything else. I'm saying that inside this column 7 must be here, and in it there had to be a 7 here, and we will have to do some Sudoku to finish this, which is not unreasonable when doing Sudoku. So where do we look? There seems to be stuff with 1s and 7s, or is it 1s and 9s? Oh, that's it. No, sorry. I thought I had seen an X-wing, but this is not an X-wing. There seems to be a lot of action with digit 1. We have a swordfish. Not sure about that. No, this is way more complicated than a swordfish. Well, this is about 1 and 7. I'm not saying this. Oh, that is more promising, yes. This is it. So what is happening here? This is an XY wing. Let's say this is 3, then this is 1. But on the other hand, if this is 9, then this is 1. So at least one of those two cells contains a 1, and therefore this can't contain a 1. So that is a 7. That's 1. That's 7, 1, 1, 7. Not 1 here. 7 there. That's 7. This is 7. This is 7. And this is 7. And by the way, one of them here is a 1, so this can't be a 1 either. So that's a 9, 1, 9, 1, 9, 1, 1, 2, 9, 3, 1, 9, 3, 1 here, 9, and this 3 gives us 8 and 3, and 8 and 2. And no fireworks because no fireworks. But I think that this is correct. I can check. Well, this is the puzzle. I can zoom in on this puzzle, but if you look at the PDF file that I have linked, you will find the real puzzle with the remarkable visual thing with the T's. And I'm just checking that the digits are correct. And they are. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.